How to make a pie chart in MS Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open MS Word. Simply create a new document or go to a blank page where you want to add the pie chart. Simply click on it and go to Insert. Go to Chart and choose the option of Pie. At the bottom, you can simply choose the design of pie chart which you want. After that, click on OK. Shortly, in MS Word document, the pie chart will be created. And then you will also see Excel beside it. So the Excel sheet is to manage the portion of pie chart. As you can see, first, second, third quarter. As I change the number of sales in this Excel sheet, you can see the changes in the portion. If you want to divide it in equal 4 sections, you can simply type 2.5, 2.5, 2.5 for all the quarters, as it is divided in 10 sections. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to create a pie chart on MS Word. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.